Kurt can help. Kurt likes to help every day. He planted seeds with Mom. Some dirt got on her shirt. The seeds turned into ferns. Underline the 7 words with the same vowel sound as bird. Kurt will pull the can to the curb. There were bits of trash to sort. Kurt put any plastic in the blue bin. Highlight the 3 words with the same vowel sound as her, spelled U-R. Kurt skipped to the park. It was very dirty. He gripped his brush. He rubbed it on the slide. Underline the 3 words with inflectional endings.